Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So the euro dollar made a little bit of a push up today at the earlier PMI news that we had, the service PMI. To me, it still looks like this is very, very corrective. I mean, it really has that A, B, C shape that you see at the, right before you have the end of a correction. Plus, this over here, to me, really looks like five waves down. I still think, like I said this morning, that this is an A. I think this is a B. Watch these Fibonacci levels very closely. We have a POW speech this evening, which is actually starting very shortly, that very likely could cause this to go down and make a wave C tonight, which I still think would be a correction to this last move up over here. So that means this is an ABC of B or likely an ABC of 2. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.